In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord channels not showing, making sure you can get back to chatting and planning with your team in no time. First things first, head over to Discord by either clicking on the app if you have it downloaded, or navigating to their website. Discord is where communities thrive, but sometimes technical glitches can get in the way of our experience. Not seeing your channels can be one of those frustrating glitches. Once you've got Discord open in front of you, you're going to need to access your account. This starts with entering your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Discord account. It's crucial to get this part right because the wrong email won't get you anywhere. Next up is time to enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you're entering it exactly as you set it, paying special attention to any uppercase letters, numbers, or special symbols you might have used. If you're having trouble remembering it, don't fret. There's always the option to reset it, but we're aiming to get you back into Discord without any detours today. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the Login button. Assuming all your details were correct, you should now find yourself at the gateway of your digital sanctuary, the Discord home screen. This is where the magic happens, but also where you might realize something's amiss, like missing channels. To navigate further, let's head to your Discord home. If you're on the app, this simply means ensuring you're looking at the main screen where all your servers are listed. If you're on the web version, it might involve clicking the Discord logo at the top of your sidebar. Now let's get to the heart of the issue, missing channels. Click on any server from your list where you've noticed this problem. Servers are the heartbeats of our Discord experience. Each one a home to different communities or friend groups. Finding that you can't see channels within them can be worrying, but that's what we're here to fix. Once you've selected a server, look for the server settings. This might seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with Discord's administrative options, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through. Server settings are usually accessed through a small gear icon next to the server name if you have the necessary permissions. If you don't see this option, it might be worth reaching out to an admin or the server owner for further help. Within the server settings, you're looking for an option labeled Show All Channels. It could be tucked away, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the settings layout if you need to. This option is your golden ticket to making those elusive channels reappear. Clicking Show All Channels should instantly solve your issue, bringing back those missing conversations and allowing you to dive back into your server's full experience. Discord channels can sometimes be toggled to hide based on roles or specific settings, and toggling this option back ensures you're not left out of any conversations. And just like that, you're back in the loop. It's important to remember that navigating platforms like Discord means sometimes having to troubleshoot the odd hiccup here and there. But with a little patience and the right guide, there's no problem that can't be fixed. Thank you for joining me today to tackle one of Discord's quirky issues. Hopefully, your Discord is now fully operational with all channels in clear view. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life. Remember, whether you're gaming with friends, planning events, or just hanging out in your favorite communities, staying connected is what Discord is all about. Feel free to ask questions or share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy chatting.